With health and safety being one of Weba's main priorities, we have developed a management system based on the ISO 45001 international standard. With health and safety having a big impact on our day-to-day activities, we ensure that our management system adheres to the regulations set out by the standard. The context of our management system evolves around our employees, making them the main focus and stakeholders of our health and safety management system. With regular audits, reviews, and assessments, we are able to mitigate any risks that may have a negative impact on our health and safety. Our scope links to our clients, where we design and manufacture our chutes to operate in a safe and environmentally friendly way. Weba's health and safety management system also links to the ISO 14001 international standard, where we focus on the environmental impact our transfer chutes may have. We cater for dust problems by measuring the dust footprint before and after our chute installations.